Reading.
Ang ganda.
Where are we?
Check the cherries. Welcome to New Zealand. Here in Cromwell. Check the cherries.
Okay, let's go.
We'll show you how to pick up cherries. Let's go.
Okay.
You gonna go cherry picking? No problem. I'll look after you. Come with me.
Thank you.
So I'll explain a few things once we get out here.
Okay.
Is you there? Yeah. Hey, go. Come. So quick rundown, guys. 5 kg buckets. You're picking the dark cherry. They're $17 a kg. You're picking the white, the 24. So keep them in separate buckets. Okay. Minimum picking about 1 kg per adult. 2 adults, you need about half a bucket. Okay. When you're picking, guys, a couple of things to be aware of. Things live under the trees. Try not to fall over them. Okay. And also there is ladders scattered around. Don't fall off the ladders.
Yeah.
Okay, boys? Don't fall off the ladders today. When you guys are picking, small push backwards. Do not rip these pieces off. Comes off very easy. Nah,
That's not good to be.
I like her more than you.
All right.
Guys, have a sample, that is okay, but don't come in and have a picnic, you know? Treat it.
Welcome to cherry picking here in Chicky Cherry. Yan, so let's go. So mayroon tayong options na dalawa. Either pick tayo ng dark or white cherries. Pero prefer ko ngayon yung dark cherries. So let's go for the dark cherries. Ganito siya, pero hindi mo siya pwedeng i-pick ng buo.
As a
So,
bunch.
you have to pick one at a time to make sure na hindi masira yung cherry. So, ganyan. Isa-isahin mo siya i-pick. Pero doon na tayo kukuha. Actually, hindi pa siya ganun
Kahinog.
So, pili tayo ng super dark cherry talaga.
Okay.
Excited! Super! Ayan, marami tayong mga kasabay ngayon na nagpipick ng cherry. So, talagang pasyalan to dito sa mga nagpipick ng cherry. Yung entrance actually free siya, wala siyang babayaran. But, if you pick up like one bucket, it's about 5 kg. So, yun lang yung babayaran mo kung ano yung na-pick mo. But if you want to eat a lot, perfect yan talaga. Pwede kumain na madami dito. Come on! So, ito yung white cherry. Ayan. Marami to sa taas, pero piliin natin yung medyo mababa para abot natin. So, ito siya. Ito yung kulay. So, literal na white. So, tikman natin. Ayan, ito siya. So, actually, discretion ko gusto mo hugasan, pero hindi na eh. Wag na lang natin hugasan. So, I'll show you how to pick up the white cherry. So, same thing. Isa-isahin pa din. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, tikman natin.
Your phone.
Grabe, ang tamis niya. So, mas mahal to ng konti kasi sobrang tamis talaga. Ayan, kumain lang tayo ng madami dito. Kasi mahal to. Parang nasa 24 per kg.
Approve?
Hindi talaga siya lugi. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go for the dark cherries, guys.
Yes. Yan, ang dami-daming nagpipick
Look.
ng cherry. Oh, yan, sobrang dami. These are the red cherry. So, punta pa tayo sa may unahan.
Let's look for the ripe ones, the dark ones, the
Yeah.
super dark ones.
Yeah. So, madaming nagpipick talaga ng dark cherry kasi sobrang tamis din yung dark. Actually, matamis naman talaga kahit yung white, sobrang tamis din siya. Pero, mas sweeter talaga yung ano.
Can we try this tree?
This one?
This one? Is it
Oh,
dark
sige,
enough?
No, it's not. But it's a red one. We could try. Sige,
Let's
tingnan
try.
natin yung red. So, sobrang red talaga siya. Literal na red na red. So, pili tayo ng hinog siguro. Saan yung sobrang hinog? Actually, hinog
Can
na
pick
to.
one. Can pick.
Pero ito, mas malaki. So, tingnan nyo ang dami niyang... So, kahit hindi ka ganun katangkad, and in real life, pero maabot mo siya, so you don't have You don't need a ladder. So mag-pick tayo ng isa. Ito siya. Ang dami niya, so choose what you want. So konting punas-punas lang. And let's try.
Okay. Let's fill the bucket.
You guys gonna good here? Some real dark stuff in the top left hand corner.
Oh, really?
Just remember, once you have had your sample, they do go in the buckets, okay? Try and pick without your sunglasses on, because you'll see different colours.
Yeah, that's right.
So there.
Yeah, no, it just got to get in the tall dark one.
Kaway-kaway. Dami, oh. Pwede na itong pang-decorate sa Christmas. Ang ganda. So, madami din Pinoy dito. Ayun. Nagpipit ng cherry.
Parang karate juice.
Sulitin na natin yung pagkain nito. Para,
10 times. Masarap.
yes. Para hindi lugi yung magpunta natin. So, yan. Maglalakad tayo ng konti kasi medyo malayo-layo pa yung dark cherries dun sa left side. So, let's go. Kamera, so tingnan, pakita mo lang. Ganito siya kadami, sobrang dami.
Ganyan siya kababa.
Oo. Tapos abot kamay mo talaga. O, ayan. So, ito yun. So, sobrang perfect talaga. So, if you have time, come and visit. Sobrang ganda. Sarap-sarap ng feeling.
Cheeky cherry
Yeah.
near crumble.
So, ito na yung dark cherry. So, medyo mataas siya. So, kung titignan nyo, ito.
Yan.
Ginahin natin ng konti. Papakita natin sa inyo. So, ayan. So, may kaibahan talaga siya sa red na kinain natin kanina. Ito, super dark red talaga siya. So, tingnan natin. I-rate natin yung tamis. Tikim-tikim. So, ito talagang pinakamatamis. Kaya ang dami rin nagpipick sa likod namin. Ang daming nagpipick ng cherry. Na dark cherry.
Let's go. Let's start picking.
So, mag-pick na kami ng cherry. Kailangan namin ng ladder kasi medyo... Ayan, akit tayo.
Ah, sige. Kuha ka na kunyari.
So, ayan, dark yan. Mas madami yung nakain ko kaysa nilagay ko sa basket.
Wala ka naman nilagay eh.
Parang gusto ko talagang i-enjoy muna yung pagkain.
Sige, kain ka na muna. Bitawan mo na.
Ang ano niya talaga, ang healthy niya tingnan. Oh, tingnan mo. Wala man lang siyang mga spots. Tapos, konting punas-punas lang. Tapos, pwede nyo na siyang kainin diretso. Unlimited kain kasi dito. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Kumain ng cherry.
Ano, madam? Ano na? Kota ka na?
Kotang-kota. Ang dami kong na-pick na cherry. Pero na-pick para kainin. Okay. So, lahat ng pinitas natin ngayon is dark cherry lang kasi sobrang tamis niya. So, ito na siya.
It's about 2 kg.
Oo. So, hindi kami masyadong namitas ng sobrang dami kasi per kg nito is $17. So, you don't have to pay for, again, you don't have to pay for the entrance. All you just have to do is to pay the amount that you pick up. So say for instance, if you had like 2 kg, so about $32. Pero worth to visit. And kung sulit ka talaga kumain dito, perfect talaga kasi unlimited kain talaga siya. So, ang dami ko na nakain, nanghihina na ako sa sobrang dami. Busog na busog ako. Punong-puno. Kasi kain ako ng kain. Kasi ang mahal ng cherry. So, might as well sulitin na natin.
And
so,
from Queenstown to here,
yeah.
took us like 25-minute drive.
Yeah,
So sulit na rin.
meron kayong time, come and visit.
Cheeky cherries. Cheeky cherries.
In Cromwell. Sobrang ganda niya.
Okay.
Worth for family bonding din. Kasi madaming may mga kids din, may mga bata. They come and pick cherries, so it's a very good experience for them as well. So, I wish we could share this to you guys, but Merry Christmas from Cromwell, from me and my husband. My husband is doing the filming, so yeah, we love you.
Let's pay
More
up.
cherries to come.
Let's pay up. Hi.
Whiting.
Keep them in separate buckets.
Doing well.
Thank you.
That's it. $24.
Thank you very much and have a Merry Christmas. Yeah.
So once again, we are at Cheeky Cherries near Cromwell. If you want to do cherry picking,
Yes.
free entrance. Just have to pay. Free entrance. Eat all you can.
Eat all you can with the
But
cherries.
if you wanna, take away, it's 1 kg. A minimum of a
$17.
kg for $17.
Yeah. So it's worth it. So let's go. Punta na tayo sa car. Para gawin na tayo. Back to Queenstown.